Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you tips to learn how to write effective prompts for hosting horizons in order to reduce mistakes and save time. Without any further ado, the first step will be detailed and clear. Here's a good example. Create an AI-powered workout planner that lets users input their fitness goals, available equipments, and schedule to receive personalized workout routines. Display workout details, including duration, difficulty level, and step-by-step exercise instructions. Use a clean and modern UI with pastel background, soft accent colors, and high-quality fitness imagery. Why does this work? Because it tells Horizons what the web app is for, how it should function, and what kind of design you want. Now compare this with this vague prompt. Create a fitness app. What's the problem here? It doesn't say how the tool should work, no features, no structure, and no design details. And as a result, the output you get will likely miss the mark. So here are some best practices to write better prompts. 1. Explain user interaction. How should people use your tool? What actions should they take? 2. Describe the navigation. How should users move from one page or section to another? And 3. Add design preferences like color, layout, mood, branding. Share it all. The clearer you are, the better Horizons will perform. So think of your prompt like a blueprint. The more details you give, the better the results you'll get. This is the result of this detailed and clear prompt. Let's preview it in a wider screen. As you can see, AI workout planner. Craft your perfect fitness journey. Let's get started. Fitness goal, I want to lose weight. Experience, I am a beginner. Available equipment, I have my body, the barbell, and some dumbbells. Click on next. Your schedule, I have 2 days per week, time per session 60 minutes, and generate plan. So this is my warm-up plan. Sets and reps, estimated duration, difficulty, instructions. The first exercise is this one, the second one is this one, and the third one with the instructions. And to cool down, this is my stretching instructions to cool down. So this is a perfect start of this web app. Let's talk about another powerful tip when using hosting horizons, which is break down complex ideas. Sometimes you may want to build a full featured web app, and it's tempting to ask for everything in one big prompt to save time or message limits. But that usually doesn't work well. Instead, break your idea into smaller, simpler parts. When you give one clear task at a time, Horizons can do a better job and make fewer mistakes. Plus, if something goes wrong, it's easier to fix that one piece instead of the whole app. Here's a good example. You want to create a book review website, so instead of writing one giant prompt, try this. Prompt number one, which is create a community-driven book review platform where users can submit their favorite books, rate them from 1 to 5 stars, and share detailed reviews up to 500 words. And this is the result of this first prompt. Let's preview it live. As you can see, Horizons did a very good job with zero mistake. This is the community book collection, the footer, and this is the add book or add new book page. Prompt number two, design a visually engaging library page that showcases book titles, authors, genres, publication years, and user ratings, with the ability to sort by popularity, genre, and release year. Now, let's see the update after using this prompt number two. As you can see, this is the library I asked for with filters like the genre and sort by popularity and many things. Now let's add the third prompt. Prompt number three, implement an intelligent search function that lets users easily find books based on keywords, author names, or themes with live autocomplete suggestions as they type. Each prompt is clear, simple, and easy to follow. And now let's see if Horizons implemented the search function I asked for. This is it. And as you can see, as I type my request, it auto completes it. And this is the search result. Now let's look at a bad prompt example, which is create a full book review website with user accounts, listings, review submissions, and search. This prompt is too broad. It's missing the details. The AI may mix things up, skip some parts, or just give you a very basic version of what you really want. So here are two best practices when breaking down complex ideas. One, prioritize tasks, build features that depend on each other in the right order. Two, set clear goals. Make sure every part has a purpose and works on its own. By giving Horizon simple, focused tasks, you'll build better, faster, and more professional apps with fewer errors and frustrations. Let's dive into tip number three. Begin with essential features first. Building a complex app might be exciting, but starting simple is often the best approach when using Hostinger Horizons. Focus on the core features first, the essentials that make your app work, before you add all the extra bells and whistles. Why? By focusing on the core functionality, Horizons can better understand your needs and build a strong foundation. Then, once everything works well, you can start adding the extra features. This method also saves you time and helps you avoid wasting your message limits on unnecessary complexity early on. Here's a good example. If you're building a podcast platform, start with the basic features first. For example, develop a podcast platform that lets users create profiles, upload episodes, and share show notes with each episode. Include essential features like user registration and a feed that displays episodes from subscribed podcasts. By keeping it simple, you ensure that Hostinger Horizons has a clear scope. You get the basic platform working before adding other features. What not to do? Imagine asking for a super complex app all at once. For example, create a podcast platform where users can create and customize their profiles, follow their favorite creators, and engage in direct messaging with other users and hosts. The platform will allow users to upload and share podcast episodes with advanced audio features such as automatic chaptering, transcriptions, and timestamps. That's too much. It's overwhelming and doesn't give Horizons enough focus. Trying to build everything at once may leave you with an incomplete or messy app. So, here are a few best practices when starting with core functionality. 1. Define your web app's purpose. What's your app for? What problems does it solve or value does it bring? Make it clear from the start. 2. Test core features first. Before adding fancy stuff, make sure your app's main features work well. Fix any issues and get that core working perfectly. Starting simple helps you build better, faster, and more reliable apps. Once the core works, you can expand with confidence. And this is the result of my prompt with only the essential features. As you can see, this is the web app logo, the navigation menu, the login and sign up buttons, a welcoming big title, the welcoming section background photo, and these are the trending episodes section and also the recent episodes. Let's go to the discover page. This is it, and this is the create and also the profile page, and this is the podcast episode page. As you can see, when you give Hostinger Horizons only the essential features first, it gives you a very good result. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain. Also, SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Tip number 4, add limits and preferences. When you're giving instructions to Hostinger Horizons, you don't just need to say what you want. It's also smart to say what you don't want. Why does this help? By adding clear limits, you reduce confusion and make sure the tool doesn't add anything extra that you didn't ask for. It's like telling a chef not just what dish to cook, but also to skip onions because you don't like them. It saves time and gets you exactly what you want. Let's look at a good prompt example. Create a simple and basic to-do list web application. Don't include user login. Avoid using any animations or fancy transitions. Use only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No frameworks or libraries. See how that works. You're clearly saying what you want, a basic to-do list, what you don't want, logins, animations, extra tech. This helps Hostinger Horizons stick to your vision. Now, here's a bad prompt example. Create a simple and basic to-do list web application. Sounds fine, but it's too vague. Will it include a login system? Maybe animations? Maybe it'll use React or Vue? And maybe you didn't want that. When you're not specific, you leave a lot of room for misunderstanding. When you set the rules, or single horizons can follow them closely, and that means better, faster results that match your needs. And this is the result of my prompt with limits. Let's preview it live. As you can see, this is a simple to-do list. Let's fill in a task, for example, fix my car. This is it. It's done. Delete. And that's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and see you in the next video.